I've been using this Minn Kota trolling motor power center for a little over a year. So it's time for me to give you my yearly review. I'm going to talk about the pros and cons, talk about all the features, show you all the features, show you how I have it mounted in my boat, and by the end of the video you should be able to determine if this might be the next toy for your boat. I really liked about the versatility. I can charge 2 cell phones, or I can just charge 1 cell phone here and run my minnow bait box. And I also have an electric anchor and trolling motor, all running off of this single battery. So I can run all 4, no problem. Another feature I really like is the built-in battery indicator. So this tells you the charge amount of your battery. So like I said, sometimes I'm running 4 things off this battery, so I get a little concerned about the battery draining. But all I gotta do is hit the test button and I'll see what my charge rate is. So green is for mean and red is for dead. So I keep my battery box kind of tucked up in that little cubby hole. So if I need to charge my phone or run my bait box, I just pull it out, plug in my adapters, and go ahead and use it that way. Then whenever I'm done, just slide it right back under. So another thing this battery box does that you may not quite realize is it offers protection from your battery. Now let's say you're in a John boat where you don't really have much storage, your battery's sitting out. This is going to protect the battery from the sun. Let's say you're fishing for walleye, sometime around late November and it's pretty darn cold out. This is going to protect and insulate your battery, help it last a little bit longer. The only real con I can come up with for this, I think it's slightly expensive for what it is and what it does. It's not a real necessity to have in your boat. It's more of a luxury, and it's kind of an expensive one. Link in the description below to how to buy this off Amazon and have it show up at your doorstep in 1 to 2 days. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and you learned something from it, and I thank you for watching.